I can not see all of them.
You can't. If I layer them...
Is the wrinkle gonna matter?
Yeah, it does. Especially a green screen.
I'm trying, Sarah, but your hand is real close to that dinosaur. Okay.
Yeah?
Get him tilted this way so I've got a whole...
Can you hear me? Let me tilt it that way.
Good. Kind of.
I don't even know.
This is just crap.
Well, thank you,
No,
Casey.
I mean the thing's too small.
This thing?
Yeah, look. You see? Alright, take this. See? And I'm just like, happy dinosaurs! Perfect. It's perfect. Okay, well then, there you go.
There. Awesome. And then we need to do I'm your dad. What should I do with this one?
Does it have to be a video?
What?
I'm confused.
What do you ask me in the video?